Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very unique trailer. This is a trailer you won't see come on the used market probably hardly ever, if at all. This is a 2021 Eby CB14K all aluminum dump trailer. This is going to be a 14,000 pound torque flex Dexter axles telescopic hoist dump trailer. This trailer is as loaded as you can get, which they pretty well come that way. This trailer was purchased new August the 4th of 2021 by a local guy who passed away last year of COVID, and I bought all of his equipment. I hold the title to this trailer. It is mine, free and clear of any lien. It is as new a trailer as you're going to find. There's a couple of scratches on it, nothing major at all. And it is loaded up. So this video today is going to show you, we have the tarp out, we're going to retract the tarp, we have the ramps out, the rear leg kit. We're going to start you up front, we're going to take you completely around this trailer and we'll run it up and down for you. Starting up front, 2 5/16 ball, safety change, breakaway, bulldog, drop leg, I believe that's a 12K jack, right here capacity, yes, 12,000 pound drop leg jack. This trailer from brand new is set up barn door, black aluminum wheels, toolbox and spare, wireless remote control, which is right here, which was never even hooked up. We just actually hooked it up, and it is a 14-foot. So, in underneath here, you're going to see when I open this, these come standard. They have a Genesis Gen 1 charging system, which is already through over here on the side of the frame. And all you have to do is 110 power, and it will keep your trailer battery topped off, which is very nice. Also in here is your breakaway battery setup. So for your wireless remote, you have a toggle switch in here. You can shut the brain box on and off, which is right there. And you can actually just power up and down on the trailer, which I'll show you once I have the ramps in. Then also, you do have your corded remote, is right there. And then we'll go ahead and power this up and down with your wireless. So very, very nice setup. It is complete. That's nice weather sealed box, which I do have the key here for it. Underneath, which I'll show you when we put it up, there's a chain tray in there you can use for storing items. Spare tire is here. Stake pockets on the outside of the trailer, which is very nice. All Eby is top line when it comes to manufacturing. They have these nice snap locks here. A lot of their hardware is in stainless steel. They use these nice heavy hucks to hold everything together. This is just a top quality trailer. Stowaway aluminum ramps. They were used one time. You can see that. Lockable. This has the pull tarps system on it, which is a fully automatically retracting tarp system. Steady legs or drop legs whenever you're loading or unloading something. I love how they have the skirted fenders around the trailer, which is built into the body. 8 lug, obviously 16-inch tires, 235 80R 16s on Dexter torque flex axles, 14K, 7,000 pound a piece axles. Very well built trailer. We're going to go ahead now, slide these ramps in quickly, and we'll show you how they go in. And these are very nice to handle. You can see how they have everything here pre-cut, where it is fully adjustable to where your spacing you need it, which is very nice. If you're hauling different stuff, all you do, simply pick them up. They're going to slide right up in a track. Make sure that they're in there past where the locking pin goes. Pick the next one up, bring him up the same way. Take him up. All there is to it, your latch. I'll go ahead and put the tarp system in. So, on this door right here, we'll show you. Just push it in. When you have the tarp installed as I do, they give you an area here, which is the same on the front of the trailer. You take your rope, you wind him up, it has an end on it. You'll actually hook right on there and it's secured, which is a very nice, well thought through manufacturing process that they've done there, the engineering process on that. So, to take this out, whenever you want to wind him up, take him past the tops. And that's all there is to it. We're going to go up here now. And you just take him. You'll just fold up like that. Simply going to take this, wind him back up. Right into its stowed compartment. All there is to it. So let's go ahead now. Your steady legs or your drop legs, we're going to pick those up. They have a very, very simple locking pin set up. All you have to do is just find the hole there. And in you go. Same on the other side. Take this, pull it. And these legs are nice for whenever you are loading something heavy, keep the back of your truck from being picked up. So, one nice thing on their gate, this gate's going to come in, see how nice and heavy their hardware is. Lines up, extremely nice, padlockable. One other nice thing, your arm locks here, they will fold down out of the way. You can roll them over that way. You can see how the barn hinge is made, very, very high quality. All your faster stuff is stainless steel. Again, these hooks are for your tarp. LED lights all the way around. That's a sealed module light in the back, which is very nice. You can see it's very clean. They come up with this very nice decal on the side. It's very, very, very nice and sleek looking. We'll go ahead and run the trailer up. This is a 3-stage telescopic hoist system. Once you have a telescopic hoist system on a dump trailer, I doubt you'll ever go back to the scissors hoist setup. It is extremely, extremely high dumping angle. It is a lot faster. It's going to take a lot more weight than your scissor hoist style setup. It's a lot easier to service, which we'll see here in a second. Second stage. Third stage. There is your complete dump angle of this Eby dump trailer. It's amazing the dump angle this trailer has. Stand back here to really get the full idea or the full spectrum of how that trailer dumps. It's incredible. They really have engineered this very well to work. Give you that nice high dump angle. You know, it allows you to work in all kinds of different situations. Back hinging area, which I really like what they've done. All galvanized mounting system, and it is riveted into and gusseted very well. Greasable hanger joint there. You can see what they've done there. It's just an extremely well-built product, which is what you would expect from Eby. They're a top quality manufacturer. Very expensive, but a trailer like this, when you purchase it, this will be one of the last trailers you buy for your lifetime. Right there is your lock. So in case anybody in Negative Nancy's on YouTube, so you didn't have that lock when you were under there. There's your lock. This allows you then to have this area underneath if you need for storage, for straps or chains. You have a closed-in area where you can store items that you might need, which is very nice. Again, I don't care who tells you what. All my trailers I order in with Dexter axles. Yes, there's Leopards and there's Qualities and there's what's the other brand? Rockwell. Those are all your Chinese axle stuff. Dexter is a top quality axle. You can buy parts for a Dexter axle on any shelf fairly today. They run all Temkin bearing stuff, which is easily accessible from Napa. And I guess what I'm getting at is if you're broke down, you can come up with a Temkin product or some of that stuff you cannot get anything. Hard to cross over. So go ahead and run him back up here. We're going to take our stuff out. We're going to let him come on down. One other thing we'll show you here in the back. Keep it lighted up. You can still see it here. I'm going to go ahead and stop that coming down so you can see. This trailer is going to have 3 sets of D-rings on either side, which is very nice to have for securing. So if you put a piece of equipment in it, you have that ability to secure it. Go ahead and bring him on down. another nice thing, your trunnions up here where your telescopic hoist pivots is fully greasable. And you all same March of last year, and he got this trailer in August, and again he did pass away. But I own it. I own his skid loader. I'll have that coming up for sale here directly. But here is a very nice product. It is ready to go. It's inspected 2022, August of 2022. Again, the trailer's not even a year old. So good, clean Pennsylvania title right here, ready to go. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. And really do appreciate you checking out our video and checking out our equipment. As always, have a great day, and thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company.